In this lesson, we are going to be looking at equivalent fractions. We have four figures. In the first figure, as you see that we have two parts, then one part is shaded. So the fraction is gonna be 1/2. Second figure will be divided into four equal parts. As you see that first figure and second figure have the same amount of shaded part. So the second figure has four equal parts. Two parts are shaded. In the third figure, we are going to have 8 equal parts, then 4 parts are shaded. In the fourth figure, we are going to have 16 equal parts. The fourth figure will be divided into 16 equal parts, then 8 parts are shaded. And as you notice, four figures have the same amount of shaded parts. So we can say that 1/2, 2/4, 4/8, and 8/16 are equal. Then they are equivalent to each other. Now we have an example. Are 1/3 and 2/6 equivalent fractions? We have two same figures. One of them, the first one, is divided into 3 equal pieces. The second one is divided into 6 equal pieces. And as you see that the first one, just one part is shaded. In the second one, two parts are shaded. And we can see that they show us the same amount of the shaded part. So 1/3 equals 2/6 because they have the same amount of shaded part. Now I'm going to tell you 2 times 1 equals 2 because 1 will not change the result. 2 equals 2, as you see. And I would like to tell you 1/3 times 1 also equals 1/3. Then 1 didn't change the result or didn't change the number. 1/3 equals 1/3. What if I use 1/3 times 2/2, and 2/2 is equal to 1. So 1/3 times 2/2 is equal to 2/6. So I can understand that 1/3 equals 2/6 because I multiply 1/3 by 1. 2/2 is 1. Okay, we have another example. If 2/5 and (25) are equivalent fractions, find the question mark. Then we are going to write now 2/5 times 1 equals another equivalent fraction to 2/5. So let's find what number should we multiply by. Question mark divided by 25. So 5 times what is going to be 25? 5 times 5 is 25. So we are going to write 5 over the fraction line. So 5/5 is 1. So 2 times 5 is the question mark. Now it is 10. 3. If 2/5 and question mark over 20 are equivalent fractions, find the question mark. 2/5 times 1 is going to be question mark over 20. Let's find what number should we multiply by. 2 times what is going to be question mark, and 5 times what is 20. 5 times 4 is 20. So we are going to multiply numerator and denominator by the same number. So we need to multiply by 4/4. 4/4 is 1, so the result will not change. 2/5 is equal to 8/20 because 2 times 4 is the question mark. So 2 times 4 is 8. So we can understand that 2/5 and 8/20 are equivalent fractions. Here we have a couple of examples, complete equivalent fractions. So in these questions, we have a missing number on the top or on the bottom part of the fraction. So in the first question, it is on the top. 3/4 equals a box over 12. So we need to know that 4 times what is going to be 12. 4 times 3 is 12. So I need to multiply 3 by 3 because 3/3 is 1. 3 times 3 is 9. So the box is 9. Question 2. look at denominators. 9 times what is 45? 9 times 5 is 45. 4 times 5 is 20. Question 3, we have 4 over 5. 5 times what is 20? 5 times 4. Then let's multiply 4 by 4. It is 16. Question 4, we have 16 over 18. So how can we reach 8 using 16? So we need to divide 16 by 2, and also we need to divide 18 by 2. So the result will be 9. 4 over 7. We need to multiply 4 by 4. It is going to be 16. 7 times 4 is going to be 28. Question 6. 35 divided by 40. So 40 divided by 5 is 8. 35 should be divided by 5. So the result is 7. Question 8. 11 times 3 is 33. 6 times 3 is 18. So in those examples, we need to understand that, guys, we are going to multiply or divide by the same number. We are going to multiply denominator and numerator by the same number. We are going to divide denominator and numerator by the same number. This is the lesson we need to get. Okay, students, there are some questions here. You are going to find the missing part of the fractions and write your answers in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching the video.